Okay, guys, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Google Classroom, and you can, if you haven't already made a classroom for your school year this year, go to the plus sign at the top, create or join, and create class, and then fill in whatever you want to here. And then whenever you get it all done, you'll go into your classroom like this. And at the top, you click on people. And you can click on the little person with a plus. Ta-da! And then you will, oh, this is to invite. So actually, sorry about that. You should click beside where it says students, the plus and people. And then it's kind of great because if you just type in the names of your students, it will start to pre-populate, especially if you spell it the right way. So like right here, I just clicked in one of my students' names, and there you go. You just click on it, and it will, I've already invited, so I can't already, but then you would click on invite, and then it will send an email to them, and they will be able to accept invitation, and then they'll be able to be in your classroom.